Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you the simplest way to check for software updates on Windows. Let's get started. Step 1 is to click on the search bar here on your desktop taskbar and then search check for updates. Once you see the option for check for updates, all you have to do is to click it and then a window will open for Windows Update. You can then click check for updates. If any updates are found, they will be displayed on the screen. You have an option here to download and install to get the updates. Depending on the size of the update, it may take some time to complete the process. Once the updates are installed, your system will be up to date with the latest software updates from Microsoft. And that's it! You've successfully learned the simplest way to check for software updates on Windows. It's essential to keep your system updated for security and performance improvements. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to check software updates on Windows. I'll see you on my next video, and until then, take care and don't forget to keep your Windows system up to date.